The door is ajar. 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 Ajar. The door is ajar. The door is ajar.
The door is ajar.
Hey, buddy. You got a bathroom in here?
You can't drink that beer in here.
Hey, Professor. You know where the bathroom is? That's the thing about beer. Bladder and prostate. I gotta hit the head every 30 minutes.
Walk. We gotta move this car up. See that pretty girl over there?
You see the fish in this mud puddle?
What fish?
Those. Hey. I got the munchies again.
Alright, company car needs a new sticker. Alright.
I got him a baseball shirt, red, white, and stripes. And with the spikes that I got for his shoes, just wear it right. The ankle cleats, they gotta be plastic. He's gonna have to play today.
That's okay. Happens at least once a week.
Last time I was at the DMV, I was there 3 hours. Just hurry up, come back as soon as you can, and make sure you call me before 3 o'clock.
I gotta go. I'm here. I'll talk to you later. I promise. I'll call you
And
back.
don't do anything stupid.
I take it you're not 21 yet, but I can make you 21 for 50 dinero.
This is a recent photograph of me. Is this okay?
Yep. Just come back in about 2 hours.
Okay. 50? Cool.
Deal.
Deal?
All right.
See you in 2.
Walk. Can you cover for me in the smog inspection area, dude? I got a chance to make some serious cash. I need to find Sean right away. Who are you?
I'm the new guy.
Dude, Doug Clean.
Mario Murphy.
Doug Clean.
Mario Murphy.
Doug Clean.
Mario Murphy.
Oh, hey, for a second there, I thought that was Mario Murphy. Hey, have you seen Sean? Yo, man. Dude, I got a chance to make some serious cash, but I need your help.
Doug,
We're not talking about $50 fake IDs again, are we?
Anyway, I met this chick in the garage, and she needs a bogus ID. I need you to make me one.
You mean like these?
Those are perfect. Can I have one?
No can do.
Come on, Sean, you do illegal stuff all the time.
You mean unethical. There's a difference. But I only do that kind of stuff for numero uno. And I do it because I can, not for profit.
Then what am I supposed to do?
You could make them yourself, couldn't you?
New guy. That. That's a great idea.
All right.
All right.
Hey. What kind of fool do you take me for, Doug?
What do you mean?
What do I mean? This picture. It's not me.
Sure it is. It's got your picture right there.
This might be my face, but it's pasted on some fat white chick's body.
So?
It says I'm 35, and it's a moped license.
Oh. So?
You will give me my money back.
We're sorry.
And then she just yelled and threatened to hit me a second time if I didn't give her money back. I mean, come on, dude. It's got her picture on it, says she's 35. So what if it's on a moped license? She's some kind of freaky chick. And she doesn't have to hit me, you know?
You're violating OSHA requirements.
What does the ocean have to do with making fake IDs? Little dude, I'm a surfer. And no one knows more about the ocean than me. So, why are you talking about the
OSHA.
ocean?
OSHA.
Little dude, it's SURF. Boy, talk about not paying attention.
Hi, Mo. Hi,
Yeah.
Mario.
Hey,
Murphy.
how you doing? You're the new guy.
Right, yeah.
All right, heard about you this morning.
Oh, great.
Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good. You know, everybody's been real helpful, so...
Yeah. Quite a crew. You nervous?
A little, yeah, but you know, it's so far so good, so...
No problem. We'll take you out in the bay, show you what we do out there, all right?
Yeah, terrific.
Okay, follow me.
All right, yeah.
Listen, I ate a little bit too much candy earlier. I gotta hit the men's room, man. Yeah, you take care of this one. You know what to do. Just check that. I mean, it's a fail. Just the headlights. So hit him with that failure stick. I'll be right back. You're fine.
Come on, there's no way I failed again.
Well, sir, you'll just have to come back when you get your headlights aligned properly.
I ain't got time for all this crap.
Well, sir, it won't take you that much time to, you know.
Look. What if I give you $100? Will it go?
$100?
Yeah.
For what?
I give you some cash, you give me the pass, I'm out.
Sir, I have worked for some crappy people in my time, but I have never allowed myself to become a common criminal just for somebody who disrespects the law. Sir, you make me sad. Take your Corvette and drive away.
Mario, dude, what happened? Look ticked off.
Can you believe the nerve of some people? I mean, really, this guy just tried to bribe me for $100.
$100?
Yeah.
I'd have done it for 50.
Yeah. see that you are driving with an expired inspection sticker on your windshield.
Oh, well, I meant to take care of it, but it just seemed like a waste of time, so I didn't bother to do it.
But your sticker is a year overdue. You don't care.
Nope, not a bit.
Well then, I'm just going to have to let you go. Jawohl. And perhaps we meet together for lunch someday, yeah?
Yeah, right.
Get down off of my car. Silly monkey. You wish you had this car with flashing lights. Not for you. I'm 2 under. What are you?
Just about $500 ahead of you. Just missed the shot, choke.
Whatever.
Oh, wimpy golfing losers. It's not like golf's a real sport or anything like surfing or anything. So, Walk, dude, I know it's your turn to take the next driver on the course, but would you mind covering the garage again? It's just, there's this babe over there that needs her driving test, and I just know that she'd rather travel with a hottie like me than some old busted professor dude like you. Don't worry though, I promise you can do the next tour.
Danny, is it meet you for a late lunch or an early dinner? Or is it the other way around? An early lunch or a late dinner? Over.
A late lunch, early dinner.
So, my pretty Liebchen, are you aware that this vehicle has no roof on it?
Yeah, sorry. It's a beautiful day out. I took my top off.
What does this take your top off mean, my pretty Liebchen?
What is this Liebchen stuff?
What say that we get together later for a late lunch? Or is it an early dinner?
I say you're crazy. I'll see ya.
Goodbye, Liebchen. Come to meet me later. I get off at 5.
Stop the door! Remain calm. Everything's okay. We just need to wait for it.
What are we waiting for?
Beautiful.
Listen, I'm gonna make this shot.
Yes.
And lightning could strike
Just in a parallel
right next to
universe.
my feet, and I would not miss this
in a
shot.
parallel universe, but, you know, go ahead, just go ahead.
Wait,
So, where are you and your wife taking me to dinner?
Herr driver, what do you think you are doing with this truck?
What do you mean?
Step out of the vehicle.
Where are your papers?
What do you mean papers?
Where are your papers?
I don't know what papers you're referring to.
Your registration, Dummkopf.
They're in the glove box.
Stay. Ah, so you thought you could get away with this, huh? Hey! Come back! You cannot run and drive with a ripped registration! Get back here!
Dr. Barkwalk, Doug tells me you're up. It's your turn to give the Where's the Beef lady her driving test. Now listen, Barkwalk, we don't trust this old lady on the public roads. She's already failed 3 times before.
Crazy people.
Good luck.
So, enjoy your first day?
Yeah, well, it actually, it wasn't bad. A little unexpected, but not bad.
Why did you pull me over?
I see that you have a cracked windshield. Don't you know that you are endangering your lives and the lives of others with this damaged vehicle? You naughty, naughty girl.
What? You're the second DMV moron I'm dealing with today.
What do you mean second DMV moron?
Sir, up here. People waiting, sir. Come on.
What do you mean I've been waiting in the wrong line? I've been here for 45 minutes, and now I have to go over there? And now I get pulled over by some DMV Gestapo? Don't you have anything better to do than give out tickets?
Yeah. I fix your vehicle. You have a nice day and drive safely.
Really?
What's he doing?
He's still trying to calm his nerves after testing with that lady from the Where's the Beef commercial.
I should probably go.
I think you might be just what this place needs.
I thought he quit smoking.
He's not smoking, dude. He's on fire!
I hope this place has what I need.
You guys are not gonna believe it unless you see it. You're not gonna believe this unless you see it.